Master your finances and enjoy financial freedom in 6 simple steps. In today's fast-paced world, financial stability seems like a distant dream for many. But what if I told you that achieving it could be as simple as following 6 easy steps? Let's dive into how you can fix your finances and forget about fretting over money. First up, tracking your spending is crucial. Most people bleed money without realizing where it goes. Start by keeping a daily log of your expenses for a month. You'll be amazed at what you discover about your spending habits. Next, create a budget that suits your lifestyle. It's not about cutting corners on everything, but knowing where your money should go. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and a little for pleasures. It's all about balance. Thirdly, tackling debt head-on is essential. High-interest debts, like credit card debts, can cripple your finances. Prioritize paying these off by allocating more than the minimum payment each month. The sooner they're cleared, the better. Step 4 involves setting up an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can save you from spiraling into debt during tough times. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Investing your money wisely is our 5th step. Instead of letting your savings sit idly, consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Of course, do your research or consult a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Lastly, continually educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better you can navigate the complexities of the financial world. Read books, follow finance blogs, and attend workshops to stay informed. By tracking your spending, you'll gain control over your finances instead of them controlling you. It's the first step towards financial liberation. Creating a personalized budget isn't just about restriction, it's about making smarter choices with your money, paving the way for a stress-free financial future. Tackling your debts aggressively might seem daunting, but imagine the relief and freedom you'll feel once they're completely paid off. It's worth every effort. An emergency fund acts like a safety net, protecting you from falling into debt during unforeseen circumstances. It's an essential part of your financial health. Investing is how you make your money work for you. With careful planning and strategic choices, you can grow your wealth significantly over time. Never stop learning about personal finance. The landscape is always changing, and staying informed will help you make better decisions, ensuring your financial stability. By following these 6 simple steps, you're not just fixing your finances, you're setting the foundation for a future where money is no longer a constant worry. Start today and watch how your financial health transforms.